Okay, we're going to take notes on the description physique. So please put your name on the paper. We're going to start off with the sentence starters. So these are the words that you'll put in front of the adjectives. So I need you to pause and write down notes as you need to throughout the video. Je suis means I am. By far though, you're going to use this more than anything. So of course when you add the ne and the pas in there, je ne suis pas, I am not. So je suis, je ne suis pas. When we're talking about other people, of course, we need to know if it's a boy, il, or if it's a girl, elle. So if you want to say he is, il est. If you want to say he is not, il n'est pas. You need to put that apostrophe because you don't want two e's together. Il est, he is. Il n'est pas, he isn't. If you're talking about a girl, then you want to say elle est, for she is, or elle n'est pas, for she isn't. Okay, now down to the adjectives. Okay, so I put some pictures in here so you'd have a visual clue, but I'd also like you to write beside each one what it means in English. So I wrote the French down for you to help you with your spelling. So if somebody is old, they are âgé. Notice that there are accents, so please make sure you get those down. So if it is a woman who is old, you add the E. If it's a man who is old, you don't. So maybe we should put those in parentheses. So âgé without the E for a man, âgé with the E for a woman. So if you wanted to say she is old, elle est âgée. The next one is young, jeune. That doesn't change whether it's masculine or feminine, jeune. So you'd say il est jeune, elle est jeune. You want to be careful. It's a very common mistake to mispronounce jeune for jaune. So jaune is yellow, jeune is young. I put the picture of Belle here for beautiful. Belle, it refers to a woman that is beautiful. Belle is beautiful. Beau refers to a man that is handsome. Beau. Now, there are two different forms here of short and tall. Grand is tall for a man. Grande is tall for a woman, so you'll just hear the end or the D at the end. So here's a picture. So please make sure that you write tall beside here. Petit is short for a woman or for a man, and petite is short for a woman. So if you want to say il est petit, he is short, elle est petite. Or il n'est pas petit, elle n'est pas petite. And then this one here, gros for fat, grasse is for the female version. So gros and grasse. So of course we're not going to use that with each other in the classroom. We're going to be kind for all of these. So gros and grasse. Thin is mince. Again, we're going to use this nicely and we're not going to use it to criticize people. Mince is thin. And I took this actress, as you might be able to tell, it's Angelina Jolie. So I used her for an example. That means pretty. So jolie would refer to something masculine. I know it's weird. Typically we don't think of masculine things being pretty, but we'll use that for objects. Jolie with the E on it is pretty for feminine. Moche is ugly. And you notice I used a cartoon character for this because I would not want to describe anybody like this. So that's the same thing. Mush. We're going to be kind, but it's just a word that we need to know. Over here, we're going to talk about different kinds of people. Un homme, une femme. So you're going to use il est homme, elle est femme. This un and une business in the front just means a or an. Sometimes we'll use it and sometimes we will not. So then we'll use the boy and girl. Un garçon is boy. Une fille is a girl. Un garçon and une fille. Please make sure you write down the English as well. Now, the word copain is friend. So this word copain means one friend. The word copain, you don't hear the S, you just see it, means a group of friends. So this is a group of friends that are all boys or boys and girls mixed. Copain. Copine is the word for friend. It's not girlfriend. It's a friend that's a girl. Copine is the word for the friend that's a girl. Copine, again, you don't hear the S, you only see it, but that's a group of friends that are all girls. If there's one boy in the mix, you have to go to the copain. So copain, copine. Un professeur, a teacher. So we're used to the college professor, but they use it for high school teachers. That's the word professeur. And then the word for student, there are two different ones. Un élève for a boy student, une élève for a girl student. Un élève, une élève. So you want to make sure that you go back through if you did not get all the correct spellings, and if you did not get all the English put there beside it as well. So beside each one, you should have the French spelling, the English meaning for each one of these. If you ever need to refer to this, you can go back and you can see the pronunciation, and you can also see the spelling.